Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to automatically open downloaded items in Google Chrome. So if you start a download, I'm going to show you guys how to automatically open when it's finished downloading, or always to open files of this type. I'd caution a little bit more on the later option. However, if you'd rather, when you're just downloading a bunch of files, you'd rather just open up automatically and be prompted to the user account control prompt a little bit sooner without the need to click as much on your Google Chrome browser window, this tutorial will be for you. So I have Google Chrome open right now, and I'm actually on a test page here. So just so we have a little bit of time to actually go through some of the options, I'm going to go download a 1 GB file, which should definitely take a few minutes to download, which should be enough time for this tutorial. So as this file is downloading here, you should notice there's a little upward facing arrow next to it. I'm going to go ahead and left click on that. You can see we have a few options here. So we can open it when it's done. So if you click inside there one time, and now we click back on the upward facing arrow, there's a check mark next to where it says open when done. This is a one and done kind of situation here, so it will not reoccur every time you want to download a file. However, just for this one specific instance, it will open when it's finished. So if we uncheck it, you see now it will not automatically open when it's done. There's also another option here. This is always open files of this type, so it's .bin file, as you can see. So if you check mark inside the box where it says always open files of this type, this basically goes one step higher than the open when done option in opening up any file in the future that's downloaded through the Chrome browser automatically. And again, you should be prompted with the traditional Windows user account control prompts as well, assuming you have that enabled. So that's just another option for you. So we have two different options that work somewhat similar, but one has a more lasting effect, I would say. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.